Thank you, Lupita. New at 6, a story you'll see only on 4. Things are heating up between attorneys on both sides in the federal civil trial of Lewis Taylor against Pima County and the city of Tucson.
Taylor was convicted of causing the death of 28 people in that Pioneer Hotel fire back in the 1970s. He's been out of jail since 2013 after accepting a no plea contest. Several investigations have since revealed the fire likely was not arson. Taylor wants his name cleared, and now he is seeking damages in federal court.
Our chief investigative reporter, Corius Nylander, has obtained new court documents on the case. He joins us live outside of the federal courthouse downtown. Corius, what do these documents reveal?
Yeah, well, Sean, I can tell you one of the main issues on the table right now before this case goes to trial here in just a few weeks is if the defendants, which are Pima County and the city of Tucson, can try and claim what's known as the heck bar, which, if imposed, would prevent Taylor from seeking monetary damages unless his criminal convictions would be overturned. I broke it all down for you last week, but now there's been some back and forth responses from attorneys on both sides, which include a shocking accusation from the plaintiff attorneys that the defense is accusing County Attorney Laura Conover of lying during her deposition. 42 years, Lewis Taylor remained behind bars. For more than a decade, he's been free after accepting a no-contest plea. But in the eyes of the law, he's a convicted murderer of 28 people. That lingering criminal conviction could stop his efforts to seek monetary damages from Pima County and the city of Tucson if a judge upholds what's known as a heck bar defense, which can prevent someone from seeking damages if their criminal conviction isn't overturned. Right now, just weeks before trial, Taylor's legal team is trying to stop the heck bar in this case, citing alleged misconduct throughout the criminal investigation, arguing the defense shouldn't benefit from its own misconduct. We know the defense responded to the issue, but it's under seal. But on Friday, Taylor's team filed this response to the sealed documents, stating the defense had used insulting language about Taylor's team of attorneys, and they said the defense suggested Pima County Attorney Laura Conover lied during her sworn deposition regarding an alleged discussion with one of the county's attorneys, Nick Aceto, where she testified he threatened to make a bar complaint against her if she moved to exonerate Taylor. We reached out to Laura Conover for comment. She reached out to Nick Aceto, and he emailed us a statement saying, quote, "We absolutely did not accuse County Attorney Laura Conover of committing perjury or lying under oath, and when our filing is made public on the docket, it will dispel that outrageous allegation." Conover's office sent us a statement saying, quote, "County Attorney Conover categorically states that she testified truthfully at her deposition in the Taylor case."
To be accused of perjury in a federal pleading is really the result of her being involved in this case from the beginning. She should have conflicted out. She should have listened to the advice of people who told her to get off the case, and she wouldn't do it.
David Berkman is a former chief criminal deputy at the Pima County Attorney's Office. He actually did file state bar complaints against Laura Conover in 2022 related to her involvement in the Taylor case. Conover recently entered a diversion program closing out those complaints. She's since removed herself from the case after being involved for years.
She conflicted off the criminal case just about 3 or 4 days before diversion was imposed on her.
And I'll have more on new details surrounding those bar complaints coming up tonight at 10 o'clock. The judge has yet to rule on that motion related to the heck bar, and the trial in this federal civil case is set to begin July 8th. Reporting from downtown Tucson tonight, Corius Nylander, News 4 Tucson.
Thank you, Corius.